Hello there, it's Trina here from Zero in Cipher. Today I'm going to show you a program that will print a right side triangle pattern upside down. We're going to develop this program in C. At first, let me show you the sample output of the program and clear the logic for you. Here's the sample output of the program. It will say enter the number of stars, that is 5, and the program is going to print a triangle with stars. And if you guys notice, it is printing 5 stars on the adjacent, 5 stars on the opposite, and 5 stars on the hypotenuse. I am calling this triangle upside down because the adjacent is on the top, that's why. So now it's time to clear the logic for you. All know that if we print of a star, it will print a star, and if we want 5 stars like these, we have to start a for loop that is saying that c is equal to 1, c is less than or equal 5, c plus plus. That means c will start from 1, and this for loop will print stars until the c is equal to 5, and c will increment by 1 each time. So it is going to print 5 stars like this, and if we want 5 exact row like this, so we have to start another for loop, and that is for r is equal to 1, r is less than or equal 5, and r plus plus. And so it will print 5 rows like this. Now we want these stars to print this triangle, this upside right side triangle, whatever, upside down right side triangle. So if you guys notice, if we divide these stars into rows and columns, in the first row it is printing 5 stars, that is the given number of stars. In the second row it is printing 4 stars, that is 1 less than the given number of stars. In the third it is printing the 3 stars, that is 2 less than the given number of stars. So when the row number is incrementing, the star number is decrementing each time. So we have to decrement the number of stars when we are printing each row. So at first we will put the given number of stars in a variable called space, and we have to change this for loop a little bit with this r is less than or equal space, and outside of the loop we will just decrement the space variable by 1 each time. So and before decrementing the space value, we have to get here from here, so we have to get this row from this row. That's why we have to print a new line. So what we are doing, this r is equal to 1, r is less than or equal space, that is 5, r plus plus, and it is printing 5 stars, and then it's getting a new line that then we are getting here, and now space variable is decremented by 1, so that that means the space variable variable's value is now 4. So it is printing 4 stars. So that's pretty much all. So now let's get to the code. We are using def C here. So at first, let me include the library functions. Include include Anya.h. Start the main function here, So we need some, now we need some variables. Integer for row, it's R, for column C, and the number of stars it's M. Now we are going to ask for the number of stars from users. So printf enter the number of stars, and we're storing the value in the n variable. Okay, so scanf, it's integer type values, so %d. I'm storing this on n, and here we'll need another variable. There is integer space that will equal to n. Now it's time to start the for loop. For c is equal to 1, c is less than or equal n, c plus plus. Right? Time to start another for loop. For row, r is equal to 1, r is less than or equal space r plus plus, and now we are going to print our tiny little stars. Yeah. And outside of this loop we are going to print new line each time, and here we are going to decrement the space variables, space by 1. So that's pretty much it. I'll just get ch here. I think we are done here, so let's run the code. Compile and run. Of course, let's check in first. Try it out. Okay, so let's see. How many? 7. So that's what are we talking about. It is printing upside down right side triangle, and it is printing 7 stars on each legs and 7 stars on the hypotenuse. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like my video, so please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to my video. Bye.